Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, or for an up-to-date list of available machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed. So check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at a Busellato VTEC 4x10 CNC router. This is a clean, low-hour, hard-to-find, small shop-owned compact CNC with big capabilities. First of all, on the right-hand side, there's an access door, and if you park your gantry over that access door, you can go to the rear of the machine and access all of your spindles. Please notice that you do have a 4 horsepower saw unit in the X-axis, 12 spindles on 32mm centers, 7 in the X-axis, and 5 in the Y. Additionally, there are also 2 double outlets on the X-axis and 1 double outlet on the Y-axis for end boring. The main spindle is 10 horsepower and will run 18,000 RPM. It features an 8-position tool magazine. Nice, clean control tower. Everything functions as it should. This machine does come with 10 pods, manuals, safety gate mats, and tooling per picture. In the rear of the machine, you will find the vacuum pump, and it is built into the frame. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.